Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we'll learn about a welding defect called as underfill. So underfill is a defect in which the weld face or the root remains below the adjacent surface of the base metal. I'll explain it with the help of a diagram. Like here, now suppose if we do and our weld surface, this is the surface of the weld remains and this is the adjacent base metal surface. So if the weld surface remains below this base metal surface, then it is called as underfill. So this should not be happen, and underfill, it's a simply a failure of means it's a simply failure of a welder or the welding procedure that he is not able to completely fill up this surface. So it can be rectified by adding one or two more runs on the weld surface. Now I'll show you the underfill with the help of a diagram. See here. Here you can see the base metal, the two sides of this side and this side, and the weld metal can be seen that it is below the level of the base metal. So this is underfilled. Here also you can see, here also it is very much, you can see that the weld level of the weld face is below the base metal level. So simply, by adding one, two or three more layers, we can remove this defect. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.